Welcome back to my mini vlog. So as you know, today is my birthday, and of course, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. So of course, since it's our birthday, of course, we're gonna receive a gift. Normally we receive a gift, right? So I have a gift from Stan. Who's excited? Me, I am excited. Super excited. And guess what? Is our gift. Is our gift. Guess what is our gift? So, ta-da! A drone! DJI presenting DJI Mini 3. Baka naman, DJI Osmo. So, ayan. Finally, we're gonna do unboxing of the DJI, and it's one of my dream to have a drone, my love. So let's do it. I'm so excited, super excited. Since this is gonna be my first time ever drone in my life, and of course, we have an Osmo Action 6 right now, which is the action camera. I am using it right now. This one, and let's go. I'm not really feeling well. I don't know, but it's fine because we had a dream. I think last night. So I am super excited to open this. Thanks to our sponsor, Stefan. Actually, the Osmo Action 6 is his gift, and I'll give it to him. But of course, it's mine now. I'm kidding, guys. Oh my God! Ta-da! Look at that! A new baby. OMG. So finally, yung gadgets natin completed. We have our Action 6, which is waterproof or water resistant, and also we have the Air, which is a DJI Mini 3 drone, and we have also our Sony, the big one. Yeah. So it's kompleto na ang gadgets natin. Ito lang naman kailangan ko talaga. And also, syempre nawala ang aking iPhone, pero hindi na sasabihin yan. Bibili tayo very soon. Ito. So okay, since this is unboxing, guys, then so what to expect sa box ng DJI Mini 3? Of course, first and for all, this one. So you will see this mini drone, just like me. Look at that. And leaking battery. This is the battery. Okay. I'm afraid that I would break this one, but ayun na, sila na agad. Charot! Sila na agad. Okay. So we need to assemble this one. And I don't know if we can try it here. But I'm excited, super excited to try it here. Touch. So, pag yun natanggal siya sila ha. FYI lang. So, nandito ang charger. This is a USB port. You can put USB, of course. But, yeah, that's the problem because we didn't have it. And this is the casing of the lens. So, to protect it, of course, you have to put this one always if you're not using it. So, this is what you expect. And, we're not okay, guys. And, ito, kung ano naman ang pinagsasabi ko dito, hayaan nyo na lang. Kasi hindi siya okay. And meron siyang extra wings. So you can see here, guys. So nice, diba? Meron siyang extra. So if in case that you break the other wings, so you have an extra here. It has two, or it's four extra wings. That's so nice, right? And we have our my favorite part, this one. Yes, the monitor, because you can see everything while flying this drone. And the joystick. Okay, the joystick, where are you? It's here. So once you open the monitor, it's here in the screen. You will see here the joystick. We're gonna attach it right now because I want to use it. Try it. I don't know if it's gonna let me do it. OMG, guys, I'm so excited. So this is the second joystick, and we will see the battery then. We're gonna bring it maybe to. And I need to watch again the tutorial of this because I did already back in Tutorial Vega, but of course I cannot remember it anymore. So if you turn it on, you will see this is the battery life, the green one. Okay. Tell me, it's gonna function. It's gonna work. Turn it on. Turn on. Turn on. Turn on. So it's not turning on, guys. So since I've watched the tutorial a long time ago, I have to do that. And also I believe this is the camera. If you want to take camera while flying the drone, this is. And this is the video. Just click this one and it's going to take video. The good thing about this one is it's automatic. You don't have to it's not choose. And this one's I think to go left and right, but we're going to search for that also. There's also like C2 and C1. And I really don't know what to use this one. But we're going to watch. So yeah, let's go and charge this one. And after that, I'm going to watch also while charging. Then we're going to try it. Okay? So see you then. Bye!